Oh my god, this better work, or else TikTok and Amazon are gonna have to run me my money.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face. I can't wait to show you more of my face.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alisha Brittany, and if you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning Brit Brat, it's so good to see you again. How's everybody doing during this quarantine lockdown part 2? I know things are kind of getting crazy all over again. It's kind of like a bad anniversary. The fact that we are still in this pandemic, and we just hit the year mark of our first cases in the United States, especially here in New York. If you were locked down in New York during March, during this all first started in 2020, you know how dead it was, and I am so ready to go outside. So Brit Brats, like everybody else during quarantine, I've been finding the most peculiar ways to stay busy and to keep myself content, whether that be making foods that I find, binge watching TikToks, which I've been doing almost every night till 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh, what a cute puppy.
I'm not sure.
Ugh, the ads on TikTok are getting ridiculous. I mean, it's outrageous how much content there is on TikTok, and if you don't have a TikTok, go ahead and follow me on there. You can see my likes and some of the things that I like to follow, but my newfound obsession are TikToks that have makeup trends. They are, I don't know, it's just something about them that I'm like, ooh, I should try this. Ooh. So of course I had to go ahead and purchase these brows by Bossy. They are these tattoo brows, you guys, and I am so intrigued to try this. So I actually have these really high arched eyebrows. I don't know, I think I've talked about them before. I don't know, it's just how I do them, and I'm kind of doing this video backwards. You know, I think it would have been better if I would have not done my makeup before I put these on, but I had to get an intro in. Like, I couldn't come on the intro looking crazy if these brows didn't work. Want to see me try these new brows, everyone? Just make sure to see you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my brows. I'm just using a mirror that I have attached to a palette to see. I'm nervous. I hope this comes out good because my brows are just beautiful. Okay, hold on, here we go. So I'm pretty sure I was probably supposed to do this before I so I'm trying to get as much off as I can before like taking off all my makeup, just because I have other things that I would like to do right now. So I probably look so weird. Yeah, brows really do it. Like, I don't know, what's your favorite part of makeup? Because my favorite part is brows, and I definitely like doing like lashes. Like, I feel like that's why people wear lashes without makeup, because if you have pretty girl syndrome, then you know that you don't have to do much. So that's always okay. See, this is what I didn't want. I did not, oh shoot, I probably look like a naked mole rat. I probably do, but you know what, I'm not mad. So as you guys can see, I have very sparse brows. They probably look non-existent right now, but as you can see, I have very sparse brows. I don't know why they're like that. I don't know why they're like that. I just hope that this comes out looking possible, because when she did it on TikTok, it came out real good, and I would be real upset if I would just be really upset if it didn't come out the same. Like, okay, so this is a glossy side. Now, this pretty much, when I say it's a tattoo, it's pretty much exactly like how when you were little and you would go, I don't know about y'all, but in New York, we got laundromats, and in laundromats, they have those like toy machines, and you just put the 4 quarters in there and you push it, you get it, and you get a rack of tattoos. This is exactly the same thing. It's paper tattoos, and it has a shiny side. So I'm gonna try to save the rest just in case I like how these work. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna try to cut out the brow that I want. So I'm just gonna use the one on the bottom. I'm not gonna get too close right now just because this is my first time, and I'm actually I'm actually optimistic about this. I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, again, she did this and it looked like it came out really good. Like, you could barely tell, you know, that she had on tattoo eyebrows. Like, y'all, what if these brows are like the wrong size? I'm gonna be like the girl in White Chicks. I told her to make me look like J-Lo, but she made me look like Liza Minnelli or something, you know? Oh my god, alright, here we go. Let me stop playing. So, first on the instructions, it says, cut in place. Cut your brow tattoo to the desired size from the sheet. Remove thin plastic film. Place tattoo side on your skin. Use the paper side replica brow. What the heck? So I'm pretty sure the tattoo side is the side that I have to take off. So I'm pretty sure the tattoo side is this part by her. So off comes that. Just toss that to the side. And then it says to cut it how I want it. So on this, it has like very fine, and it's on both sides. So one side is like paper and the other side is like shiny film. So if I'm gonna do this brow first, I think this is the left brow. Let me just make sure, because child, I can see me doing this backwards. And yeah, okay, so oh wait, no, this must be this side, because if I'm putting, yeah, okay. It's for my right brow. I know my I know. So I'm just trying my very best to cut this. Y'all pray for me, pray for my brows. I don't know if I should cut it like really close or what, because I just want to be able to see what I'm doing. Do y'all think that I can fill these in after? I don't know. Like, what is it supposed to give? What is it supposed to give? What is it supposed to give?
I'm not gonna get up here and bash her like everybody else, but she need a lot of psychological evaluations.
Well, I guess not, because I guess if it's white, the white part is probably not going to show up on my skin. I'm hoping. Step 2 is to apply the water. So I'm supposed to fully saturate the paper side of the tattoo, apply gentle pressure, and then leave on for 10 to 15 seconds. That's it. I'm gonna do my best. I already feel like it's not gonna work, and the only reason why is because my brow is way longer than this. Like, it's already hella long. Oh shoot. TikTok, don't fail me now. What are we working with? I think I can work with that. This is what we're working with. Let's see if this works. So it actually kind of sticks to your skin. You know, y'all know how tattoos work. Come on, don't act like y'all don't know. Step 3 is for me to wet this bad boy. Again, let me say a little prayer. Amen. Here we go. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly why I should have did this without. Shoot. Oh my god, I totally should have did this without putting makeup on my face. Freak. I'm gonna just close my eye, cause yeah, look at the water running down my face. Can you say amateur? Can you say amateur? It says to saturate it in water, so. Alright, it said 10 to 15 seconds. It said 10 to 15 seconds, but I mean, who really listens to rules? Okay, so I don't know why I did it this way. I totally thought I was like, I can do this. I can put on, now I'm gonna have mascara everywhere, but you know what? I don't even care, child. Y'all seen that look good before. Okay, shoot, I think I fudged it up.
Oh, no.
Oh, I moved it. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. We're gonna try that again, because that was my fault. I moved it and I shouldn't have moved it. It actually looks kind of cool, but I'm gonna try that again. Just give me a second. Here we go again. Maybe if I tilt my head back, it'll work. What y'all think? I don't know. I do know that when I was little and I would do these tattoos like on my skin, it was always like hit or miss. It said 10 to 15 seconds. That was a lie because this is taking way longer. Like, I'm not even trying to do this wrong on purpose. Like, okay. Let's see if I can lift it. Oh, I think I did it. I think I did it. Okay. It's not horrible. Let me dry it off. Not that bad. It's okay. I feel like I could finesse this. Like, I feel like I could fleek this out a little bit. But I'm going to do the other side, and then we're going to see if I can like add a little bit of my own makeup. The second one. And I'm going to apply it to my face. Let's see. Okay. Today would be the day I decide to put goddamn jewelry on my eyelids. I was going for a look. I really was. I was going for a look. I was inspired. I was very nostalgic after the Keisha Cole and Ashanti battle because I thought I was Ashanti back in the day. Like, I really did. Plus, she's from Long Island and I'm from Long Island. Well, I'm from Long Island. Let's see if I can do this one with grace. Let's see. Okay. No. Okay. Y'all, I'm actually... I don't know why I'm trying to do it with both my eyes open. I don't know why. Oh, I think this one moved. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to see my viewfinder, but it's kind of small. Okay, hold on. Oh, thank God my makeup doesn't run to the point where I'm not the same skin color anymore. Okay. Oh, it's sliding up by itself. This baby said he's ready to go. Okay. So I know that the process is supposed to not be used with like this stuff, like my brow stuff, but I don't know, like this is just not my brow, so I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh my God, I love the product, and this is not how I would wear my brows. I see the film, you can kind of see the film a little bit, and I'm not too sure if I like how that looks. Well, I know I don't like how it looks, but it's just really shiny, and it's just giving me like, it's just giving me, I don't know. And if you could see on this side, I don't know if I applied it the wrong way or what, but you can totally see my real hair like outgrowing the brow. Like, does that make sense? Like, it looks like, I don't know, it just looks like a kid kind of just drew on my brow. So I'm not really feeling that, but I'm going to see if I can finagle it. Just let's see. These brows just look so fugazi. Like, I'm not even about to lie to y'all and say that these look good. These look terrible. This translucent powder is supposed to help get the shine off, but it's not really doing a good job of that either. Yeah, I'm just not feeling them. TikTok! Everyone's gonna know. They're gonna know. They are. You're right. They're gonna know. Like, this is not... This ain't cute. This ain't... I mean, y'all think this is cute? Oh, no. No. Nah. Nope. I'm so mad. Girl, this is a no for me. This is a big no. It's just not cute. I mean, at this point, the tutorial's over. Because what am I going to do with these brows? I'm a little disappointed. These are tattoo brows. All right. Are you ready? Okay, wait.
Yeah. What? Wait a minute. That is not even on the...
It's like on my brow. It doesn't even fit.
No, you got 2 lines like...
Child. Thought I was doing something. I thought I was doing something. Alright, brats, that's the end for this video. I hope that you guys aren't as disappointed as I am. I really wanted this to work. I really wanted it to be like the new thing that you added like in a rush or something. I guess I actually am gonna have to end up going to get my eyebrows microbladed, which I don't mind, but you know, I was just trying to I guess skip the pain, if that makes sense. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also leave a comment below if you think that you would still give these a try. I know they have other shapes, other colors, but for Alisha, it's a no, it's a dub. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to share this video with a friend or a loved one, and as always, make sure to stay blessed. Bye guys.